Good day to all of you viewers. This video is about the laboratory activity number 5, titled Laboratory Experiment on Series and Parallel Connected Circuit Part 2. First, let's try the figure number 1, series circuit. The resistor that we'll be using is 1 kilo ohms resistor. Its color band is brown, black, red, gold. And now let's test for the. Now let's find the voltage that flows across the resistor. The voltage that flows across the resistor is about 3.40 volts, 3.42 volts. Now let's measure the voltage across each LED. The voltage across each LED is about 2.75 volts. And the second LED, it's about 2.72 volts. Now let's measure the current on each LED. The current that flows through each LED is about 3.38 milliamps. So it isn't consistent. And the second LED is about 3.32 milliamps. In terms of brightness of LED, both are the same. If we use a different resistor that has higher resistance, then they would still emit the same similar brightness. Now let's try parallel resistor and parallel circuit. voltage of the capacitor and resistor. The voltage across the resistor is about 6.37 volts. Now let's look into the voltage across each LED. On the first LED is about 2.72 volts. And it's also the same for the second LED. It's about 2.72 volts. Now let's test for the milliamps of each LED. On the first LED, the milliamps is about 2.20 or 2.20 milliamps. 5.92 milliamps. Next, the second LED is about 5.80 milliamps. In terms of brightness, both LED are comparable. Now let's try a different resistor that has more resistance. It seems that one of the LED is more brighter than the other. That's all, thank you.